Hi friends, this video shows how to load liquid detergent in detergent tray and wash the clothes. Let me open detergent tray and load liquid detergent. Here you can see three compartments: pre-wash, main wash and softener compartments. I am going to load liquid detergent in pre-wash and main wash compartments. Okay, done. You can see the third compartment, softener. I am not going to use softener right now. Let me close the detergent tray. Then connect cord to the plug and switch on. Then open the door of the washing machine and load the clothes. When done, close the door. This is a control panel of the washing machine. First I am going to power on the washing machine. Press this power button. Now washing machine is on. Next we need to select wash cycle. We can rotate this dial and select the wash cycle. I am going to select 15 minutes quick wash cycle. Here you can see 15 minutes. Then I am going to start the washing. Press this start button. So now washing has started. So please wait. When washing completes, it will play music. See, washing has completed. Now we can open the door and take the clothes outside.